Charmian Manuel, aka MACKA. I want to take this moment in time to apologize to you verbally about the tragedy that took place in your life. I remember when you told me, I didn't believe you. No, I did believe you at least 50% when I should have believed you 100%. But really and truly don't blame me, because when I remember, and if you remember, it was right when time a soldier gave me the 357. And when I look back into the story, I'm like, probably I push me because I'm a simple human being. So you want to see how far me that go as a man, you know what I'm saying? So in time I hear the story and you tell me where it took place and all the artists internationally is big and big, locally, internationally. Anywhere reggae music, dancehall music go, him are the biggest, one of the biggest thing, performance-wise, dress code, hit songs, and I'm like, you know, image, everything. So I'm like, so much people that even do it happen on film grounds, probably that did a leak out in the media. That's what I was saying. And what more have to say, encouragement to all of the media houses, media platforms, please get to the core of the information before you present it, because a youth like me believe in the media. Yes. Because I say, you don't have the resources, you don't have everything where it takes to get to the core of the information before you present it. So you present it, you present something real. So I always believe in the media. But MACKA, I apologize. And people want to see her breakdown, believe it, because guess what? When she had told me to how she did break down, me'd have to stop the car. Yes, and console her. Because listen, but MACKA, I apologize. Keep shining.